Bring on the Shogun! Much like the others before him, I've had my eyes set on drawing Gallade.
And this time, don't screw it up.
Yeah, I'm talking about this guy. Gallade, better known as a branched evolved Pokemon.
Creators of a grand design.
I'll be the king.
I'll be the queen.
I'll be the Joker of crime.
Prepare for trouble.
Make it double.
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse.
Change.
Team Rocket. Blast on the
This Digimon has retractable elbows. This music reminded me so much about all the times we went to Dave & Buster's.
We're gonna capture Pikachu.
prepare for trouble.
Make it double. We're Team Rocket and we fight for what's wrong. For mayhem and madness and rare Pokemon.
I'm so gorgeous.
I'm always the man.
You're just the players in my master plan.
And finished! That's how you draw Gallade. Check out the Pokemon playlist. Please like and watch and subscribe to my channel. And check out which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night!